Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this brand new blender. Yeah, it's an ice crusher. So in this video this is my very first time using this blender, so I just thought it wise to share with you guys my experience. Okay, so the first thing first, this is strawberry right here. I'm going to be putting the strawberry into it right here. Oh my god, I should have cut it right. Is it okay like that? Okay. And then I'm using strawberry and banana. Yes, I'm gonna put a banana. And they said the blender is 7 cups blender though. 7 cups. So I'm sure it's gonna be big enough. And I got some ice right here. I'm gonna be putting the ice in there. Then I'm gonna add it up with milk. So we're gonna be making smoothie today. So it just depends how you want it to be. So stay tuned.
Bye.
After putting the strawberry, the banana, and the ice, and I'm just gonna be putting a glass of milk on there. So my kids want a lot of milk, but let me try one. Oh, my son was right. So maybe two will be fine for us. Let me get another one right here.
Another one.
Yeah. So if you're just joining me for the first time, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is my very first time using this blender. I got it from Walmart. Guys, what do you think? Do you think one is okay, or two, or three? Two okay, right? Okay, so let me get a tap. I'm gonna be covering it, and then I'm gonna be plugging it in the wall. As I told you guys, if you have a kids in your home, whenever you like done with electronics, especially for the kitchen, just unplug it, like deep fryer, blender, and other stuff, air fryer. The only thing I don't unplug is my microwave. So where's the power button? I see right here they say this is the power button right here.
Let me see.
I'm just going. Oh, okay, I got it, guys. They got pure, they got chop, they got smoothie. We're gonna touch the smoothie. Okay. So guys, this is how it look like. So I'm just gonna be unplugging my blender as usual. You don't really have to unplug but for me I like to unplug this, and I'm going to be showing you guys how it look like.
Wow.
So this is how it look like. I'm just going to be putting the first one in this glass right here, since this is the one that's closer to me. So if you want, oh my goodness, oh my kids, they make that smoothie. That is so nice. Go get a glass for yourself.
Wow. Can I have the smoothie?
Oh, this is yours?
Can I have the smoothie now?
No problem.
Enough.
Okay. Wow, that's a lot. So guys, what do you think? This is my first time using this blender. It's so fast. In less than 2 seconds, everything was okay. Yeah, less than 2 seconds. So thank you.